Today I'm letting you on in a little secret. Presenting to you my spinach caramelized onion quiche. Can't wait for you to try it. Hi, this is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. To make our quiche, we need to make the quiche base. For that, I've got some flour. Maida is what I'm using. To this, I'm adding some dried oregano. I've got cold butter, which I've cut into cubes. I'm going to mix this into this, and we need to mix it to resemble breadcrumbs. Next, I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of water. This is cold water to make a dough. My quiche dough is ready. I'm going to wrap this in cling film and put it in the fridge for about half an hour. Make sure you put it in the fridge for half an hour, otherwise rolling out the dough is going to be difficult. To make the filling for our quiche, I'm going to melt some butter. Adding some finely chopped garlic to my melted butter. Next goes in my spinach, some mixed herbs, some pepper powder, pinch of salt, and last some caramelized onions. Giving this a quick good mix, and the filling is ready. Next, we need to make a custard filling for our quiche. For that, I've got some cream. I'm mixing in some cheese, some dried oregano, and some pepper powder. I'm going to mix this well and keep it aside. Our quiche dough has been rested in the fridge for about half an hour. Now it's ready to be used. I take my dough and just spread it out nicely in my tin. You don't need to grease your tin because there is enough butter in the dough. After lining our quiche dish with the quiche base dough, I'm going to just prick this with a fork, and this goes into the oven for 10 minutes at 180 to just bake. To assemble our quiche, I'm first putting my spinach and caramelized onion mix on the base, just spreading it out nicely. I'm topping this with the custard we had prepared, and finally topping it with some grated cheese. This goes back into my oven for about 10 minutes till the cheese is melted.